What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, over the last few weeks, I've noticed this brand new business online that a lot of people are doing, and they're making insane amounts of money. And the best part about this is it seems they don't have their own products or anything like that, and they're still making money. So what I want to do in this video is take you through step by step exactly what this business model is, how it works, and exactly how you can get started right now doing the exact same thing. Now, this seems like a very easy business model, and I'm going to show you everything that you need to know step by step. But at the end of this video, you should understand exactly how this works. And the best part is you don't need your own product. And this is what really sets this business apart from anything else. So let's jump into this tutorial, and I'm going to show you an example of what we're going to be focusing on first, and then I'm going to take you through step by step how you can actually do this and how you can set this up and everything that you need to do. And this is brand new to this channel. We've not talked about this before. So let's jump into it, and I'll show you how to make money online with this brand new method. All right, guys. Now, I don't know if you've seen this around. This is a website called the lifehacklibrary.com. And as you can see on this website, there are tons of books for sale that we can go ahead and we can actually purchase. Now, if you look at this page, this is a landing page that I came across where they're selling a bundle of books. So this is a social media marketing kind of bundle of books. And you can do this in any type of niche. And as we scroll down, you can buy the bundle for $4.98. And we keep going. And this is like a little landing page. And it explains the books that you get. So you first get the YouTube Studio, you get the free Facebook traffic strategies, you get the Instagram beginner's guide, and you get the TikTok marketing and everything like that. Now, the best part about this method is these books, these guys probably don't actually own these books, and they wouldn't own any of these other books as well. And I'll explain to you exactly how that works in a second and how you can get involved in this. But if we actually look, this is quite a popular website. So they have lots of reviews on their products. They have a very large Instagram account with 31,000 followers and everything like that. So let's first focus on how you can actually get started doing this type of business model. And what I'm doing in this video is just showing you how you can get started so you can go ahead and do this yourself and do everything that's necessary later on as you build up this business. So the first step we need to talk about is how are they getting these books right here so they can sell these books to people. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to a place called, go to Google and put in PLR products. Now, we're not going to go ahead and look at every single website here. Some of them are messy, some of them are not, but just go and click on a bunch of these websites. And if we actually go to this one here, which is called Buy Quality PLR, and we go to niche PLR, for example, and we go down to let's just click on one. Let's go Health PLR. It's going to give us all of these types of books here that we can actually go and buy ourselves. So for example, let's put in top juicing recipes and go to view details. And we can actually buy this, and we'll buy it for $4.99. And we actually have the rights. So it gives us all the information that we need. And then the rights should be down here somewhere. If we keep going, here's the licensing. We can actually sell this to other people. So we don't create the product at all. We just buy the product for $4 one time, and then we can keep reselling it over and over again. And that's exactly what companies like this are doing. Now, if we look at this one here, their stuff is more like well-being, mindset stuff, make money online, and then here's social media marketing and stuff like that. So if we go back to this one here that we were just on, we can go ahead and we can go to niche, and we can go to business coaching, for example. That's more in line with what these guys are selling, and it's got all of this business coaching stuff as well. So we literally have an insane amount of products that we can go ahead and get and we can resell. And then there's another website here as well, which is called idplr.com. This is a very good one as well. And I go to niches, and I'm going to go to something like, I'll try and do self-help here, which is more what the Lifehack website is about. And if we go down, we've got all of these self-help books that we can go and use, and even courses and video courses, articles, everything that we need. So the next step is, how do we actually go ahead and get started doing this? First of all, what I would recommend you do is start an Instagram account, and we can go and get these little videos here made. So these are like 20-second videos. I'll show you exactly how you can go ahead and get these made. Go over to fiverr.com and then go to this guy here who will create 300 short videos for you. And you can use these on TikTok and Instagram. For $5, you get 50 videos and they're pretty good quality. I'm gonna actually show you an order that I did with him to show you an example. So what I did is I went and purchased a package off him and I asked him for shorts about facts. So if we go here, he just does a nice clean video with some facts there. There we go. Easy. And he did 50 of those for me. So if we go back here, there's 50 right here. So you can go ahead and purchase that package and you can go ahead and start to get yourself an Instagram account started up. The next step is you want to also go and do that on TikTok as well. The next step is we need to go ahead and create what we call a landing page, a page where we can go ahead and start selling particular books. What I would recommend you do as well is use Fiverr and copy a specific page. Now, I'm not saying copy exactly somebody's page. What I'm saying you do is, for example, take this page, go to this guy on Fiverr, for example, and say, can you copy this page for me in something like ClickFunnels, Thrive Themes, or something like that? And then you go and edit it. So there's a few ways you can do this. You can go ahead and start your own Shopify store, for example, selling these books. You can get a free trial. And this is what these guys have done. They've started their own e-commerce store selling these PLR products. The next step is you could use something like Thrive Themes and you could build a landing page and then you could integrate that with something called Thrive Cart where you actually have a cart and you sell the books. So that's what I've actually done. I've started doing this particular method and I'm using Thrive Themes and I'm integrating it with Thrive Cart to create a landing page and then a checkout page, a very simple process. So what I would be doing is I'll be going to Fiverr and saying, hey, can you copy this particular page for me into Thrive Themes, for example, on my website or into Shopify. You give him access to your Shopify account and he will go ahead and do that for you. And then you have a base template that you can start with. So let's just say this is the base template that you get. Remember, we're not copying these people. We are just getting a base template that we can use so we can edit it. So we will put in our own books here. We might change this to the right side, might put the text on the left side. We're going to change the text. We're going to use ChatGPT to potentially do that. And we're going to go ahead and make our own landing page based off a template that we get. It's just easier to do that rather than starting from scratch. The next step you need to do is to start going and seeing how is this website, for example, getting their traffic. And remember, there's hundreds of websites actually doing this, so you can focus on other websites as well if you like. If we go to their Facebook page right here, this is their Facebook page, and as you can see, you can also post the videos on your Facebook page, but you want to click on About, on the About page here, and then what you want to do is you want to click on Page Transparency. When you click on that, you're going to be taken to this page here, and you want to go to See All. And then you want to scroll down to Go to Ad Library. And we're going to see all of their advertising that they're doing right now. And I know for a fact that these guys are making a lot of money. And as you can see, they have 270 results right here. And we can see their advertising, everything from the ad copy to the ad video to the landing page. If we click on this, where's this going to go? It's probably going to go to the landing page that I just showed you. It is a landing page that's very similar, and they are selling 9 different books. So we can see everything. It's insane, and this is why it's so easy to start a business online nowadays. So if we go ahead and we click on this, we can see their advertising. We can see their advertising right here, their video. So there's like no excuse not to be able to do this stuff. If we go down here, I think, here we go. This is an easier one for people. They have an image. This might actually go to their page again, but they have an image. Yes, that's their page. They have an image right here rather than a video. And we can go ahead and we can see everything from the copy to the links, to the shop now, to the copy down here, every single thing. This is absolutely insane. We have access to this entire business. And best of all, we don't even need our own products. We can go ahead and use these products right here from these PLR websites. Now, what I just did is I clicked on Relationship PLR. Now, if we actually click on this, for example, what was on this one here, they did enhance your mind and strength. We could say enhance your relationship. And then they've got 9 strength books. We can go ahead and we can put in 9 relationship books. We're not copying exactly what they're doing, but we're doing something very similar. And we can go ahead and buy 9 of these relationship books. And then you can see that there's 4 pages. And we can go ahead and we can resell these because we have the right to resell these particular books. And this is just on one website. So this is absolutely crazy and so easy to do. All right, guys, I just want to quickly get this video out because this business model is brand new. It's blowing up right now. So you do want to get in on this early. You want to go ahead and create a bookstore using products from PLR websites. And then you want to go ahead and make you can either use Shopify to create a store, or you can use something like Thrive Themes and Thrive Cart to create a landing page. You can go ahead and do this with Fiverr services. I just showed you some right here. This one here will create the landing page for you. And you want to also go and create some social media, social accounts, and you can go ahead and get some videos created online for extremely cheap. Then you want to go ahead and focus on what type of ads are they doing? How can I go ahead and do similar ads to make money online? All right, guys, hit that subscribe button. This is a brand new method. We are going to have some more videos out on this as well, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you know when those come out. I'll see you then.